Welcome to HomePantry, and today we're diving deep into a product that promises versatility and portability for all your cooking needs. We're talking about the Drizzle Foldable Electric Cooker, a travel hot pot designed to go wherever you do. Let's start with the most striking feature of this cooker, its foldable design. Before folding, it measures about 8 by 7 inches, which is a decent size for cooking. But the real magic happens when you fold it down. It collapses to a remarkably compact 2.6 by 7 inches. This makes it incredibly easy to store away in a drawer, tuck into a backpack, or pack for a trip. For anyone living in a small space like a dorm room, or for frequent travelers, this compact size is a huge advantage. Now, what's it made of? The main body of the pot is constructed from 100% food-grade silicone. This is excellent news for safety and durability. Silicone is known for its flexibility and ability to withstand high temperatures, and the fact that it's food-grade means you don't have to worry about harmful chemicals leaching into your food. The base is stainless steel, which is also a smart choice. It's easy to clean, resistant to rust, and provides a stable heating surface. The combination of silicone and stainless steel is what allows this pot to be folded and unfolded repeatedly, promising a long lifespan for the product. Safety is always a paramount concern with any electrical appliance, and the Drizzle Foldable Electric Cooker comes equipped with high-temperature protection. It features an overheating power-off function. If the heating plate gets too hot, or if the pot runs dry, it will automatically shut off. This is a crucial safety feature that prevents potential fires and protects the appliance itself from damage. One of the most impressive aspects of this cooker is its voltage adaptability. It's built to work with voltages ranging from 100V to 240V. This means you can take it with you virtually anywhere in the world and it will function correctly, as long as you have the appropriate plug adapter. Adjusting the voltage is as simple as rotating the control panel, which makes it user-friendly for everyone. Beyond its practicality, the smooth design also makes it visually appealing. The Drizzle cooker isn't just a one-trick pony. It boasts 3 adjustable speed settings, allowing you to tackle a variety of cooking tasks. You can simmer a delicate porridge, boil water for noodles, cook rice, prepare soups, have a mini hot pot session, and even fry some ingredients. This versatility makes it a true multifunctional appliance. And as we've touched upon, its portability opens up a world of possibilities for where you can cook. Think dorm rooms, hotel rooms, campsites, rental apartments lacking a full kitchen, offices, or even during business trips. It's designed for situations where traditional cooking facilities might be limited. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. The biggest pro, undoubtedly, is its extreme portability and compact foldable design. This makes it ideal for small spaces and travel. The food-grade silicone and stainless steel construction are also big wins for safety and durability. The dual voltage feature is another major advantage, offering global compatibility. And the multifunctional capabilities mean you can do more than just boil water. However, there are a few considerations. While the foldable design is ingenious, repeatedly folding and unfolding might eventually test the limits of the silicone material, although it's designed for this. The cooking capacity, given its compact size when unfolded, might be limited for larger families or for cooking substantial meals. Also, while it can fry, it's likely best suited for lighter frying tasks rather than deep frying. The power of the heating element, common for portable cookers, might also mean longer cooking times compared to a standard stovetop. In conclusion, the Drizzle Foldable Electric Cooker Travel Hot Pot is a very compelling product for specific use cases. If you're a student, a traveler, or someone living in a compact space who needs a simple, safe, and versatile way to prepare hot meals, this cooker is definitely worth considering. Its innovative design and global voltage compatibility make it a truly adaptable appliance for modern lifestyles. Link in the description.